Hello students, I am your science teacher Safia. Today I am going to give you a revision of the lessons materials and things. Then other lesson is separation of substances. Separation of substances. So in this chapter you have this examination of these two lessons, materials and things and separation of substances. In these lessons you have learned about how materials can be sorted into different types based on the passage of light, based on the state and based on the solubility and insolubility. That you have learned in the lesson materials and things, and you have also learned here how different types of materials are used for making different kind of objects. Like if you want to make a scale, so you can use three materials, like you can use wood and scale, you can use iron, you can use plastic. By using three types of materials you get a scale. So here you may get the questions like you can list out the substances which are made up of only two materials. Only two materials means only two materials. For example, if I take example is of I can take this chalk holder. Okay, it is made up of plastic and dye. It is made up of two materials. In the same way, one material you can take as scale. By using one material, one scale can be made. For example, if you want plastic scale, which material is used for making plastic scale? Only plastic. In the same way, plastic chair. So for making plastic chair, what material is used? Plastic. So that you have to focus. Then what is made by transparent, translucent and opaque substances? With examples you have to go through it. And next one, what is sugar a soluble, is a liquid or a solid? That you have to find out. Already we found out in the video. Now you have to recall all those. As it is a revision one, you go through that videos carefully and clearly. Then you will be getting the answers for the questions. Okay. Next lesson is separation of substances. In this lesson you have learned first about mixture. What is mixture? Like define mixture. Define mixture means you have to write definition. So the combination of two or more substances is called as mixture. That you have learned, and then you have learned how to separate the mixtures by using how many method, what kind of method is used for what kind of separation you have learned. If you want to separate salt from salt water, crystallization will be done. I have explained the activity completely, and you have to see the apparatus required for that. And next I have shown you sedimentation and decantation. That complete activity you have to write. I said whenever you are writing the activity you have to follow the pattern. That is what first you have to write aim of the activity. For example, if I give activity of sedimentation and decantation, then what is the aim of that? To perform sedimentation and decantation. Then what you have to write? Materials required. Complete you have to write materials required or apparatus. So what are the materials required for that? For doing sedimentation and decantation? Two glass tumblers or the beakers, water, sand and a spoon or a filler. That you have to take. Then later on what you have to do? This is the materials required, right? Then procedure. Next step of this is procedure. In procedure what you have to do, you have to take two beakers, add soil in one beaker and add water to that beaker. Stir it properly. Okay. You will observe that two different layers are formed. Okay. And then procedure continuation. Now separate the two layers. First the water layer you have to separate. You have to collect the water in the second beaker. Take another beaker and incline the beaker which contains sand and water. Incline the beaker which contains sand and water. When you incline, what will happen here? Water will be captured in this beaker, and here left over will be the sand. So if you see it, if you keep it carefully, separately, you'll observe two beakers with two different things. One beaker will be with water, other beaker will be with soil. In this way, sedimentation and decantation will be done. So procedure, you have to incline the first beaker on the mouth of second beaker. Two layers, water and soil will get separated. Observation, we observe that water got separated from the soil. This is a process of sedimentation and decantation that you have to write. In this way, you have to write the activity, observation or result. Result of observation or result. In this way, you have to write, and then how many methods are there actually, you go through it carefully and properly. What are the kinds of methods, based on what they have been separated, why they are using particularly that method, and everything you have to learn carefully. And in case of objective bits, as I will explain from the video itself, I will be giving you the objective bits, fill in the blanks. Okay, read well, write well students, all the best.